how to dispute an Apple iCloud charge on bank statement. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is, of course, verify your Apple ID. What you're going to do is simply go to support.apple.com, search for it, and here you'll get into this page where you'll need to tap on the this particular link that you'll be able to see, sign into this link. So tap on that one, and in here you'll need to add in all of the credentials of your Apple ID and verify it in order to check if the charges actually match an active purchase or family member subscription, right? So after doing that, after successfully verifying it, you can actually submit Apple Refund. First, you can actually select the request a refund for the iCloud charge and state the billing discrepancy that you have faced, and then from there you can simply cancel your subscription. You can get to your iPhone settings, you can go back and open your settings, then from there you can simply tap on your Apple account right here, and in here you can get to your family or whichever subscription that you have subscribed, or you can tap on simply subscription right here and then simply cancel it, right? So after doing all of this, I'm pretty sure you'll actually be able to get your refund. But if not, if Apple denies the refund or charge is entirely like fraudulent, you can actually contact your bank or credit card issuer in order to file a chargeback, and I'm pretty sure that will actually help you out.